him the wonderful reasons kung bakit may dalawang anak kayo, bakit siya nangarap mag-abroad. Tatlo, di ba? Ba't siya nangarap mag-abroad? Remind him, you might not be the best wife na matatagpuan niya. But you are very rare. Alright? Make him feel again whatever he's been through, whatever he's done, he would always belong to your heart. Leslie, pag hindi nag-work, be brave enough to let go. I admire your heart. You love this guy unconditionally. Tonight, Leslie, you redefine what's the meaning of love. Thank you very much.
Thank you din po.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
I want you to hold on. Ilang araw na lang, he'll be there. Okay? Ilang araw na lang, he'll be there. Again, I'm sorry. On behalf of all the guys, patawarin mo kami.
Tagal-tagal ko lang gusto tumawag sa'yo nung mga una-una pa. Kasi hindi ako makatawag. Wala pati ako lakas ng loob.
Salamat, pinagkatiwala mo sa akin to.
Salamat din sa pakikinig.
I know wala akong nagawa dito ngayong gabi. But I listen. I'll never forget about you, Leslie.
Thank you.
I wish you all the luck, the best thing that might and can happen sa buhay na to. You deserve it.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Mga kaibigan, si Leslie po yan, ang kainta, 31 years old. Pasensya na mga kaibigan. But anyway, maraming salamat. Alam niyo mga kapatid, ito yung mga pagkakataon na it makes TLC different from any other program sa radyo. Because you call my show, you know exactly you have a friend. Nakapalitawag kayo sa akin tonight, 8326171. Mamaya babasa pa ako ng letters sent through text. Sa lalaking ito po, yung pinag-usapan namin si Teddy. Teddy, if you can listen to this, be a man. Hindi para balikan yung family mo kung di mo na gusto. Pero para sabihin sa asawa mo exactly where she is right now. For taking care of you and the family that you have, she deserves it. Mga kaibigan, ako po niyong likod, si Papa Jack. Mamaya kababati ha. Ayoko muna siraan yung moment. I'd like to play this one for Leslie. Para sa'yo. My name is Papa Jack. This is TLC, mga kaibigan. True Love Conversations. Good evening po.